Hey Max, how was school today?
Hey Lily. It was okay. Math class was a bit tough though.
Oh no, what were you learning?
Fractions. They look like tiny puzzles.
Haha, I know, right? I used pizza slices to understand them.
That's genius. I wish our teacher gave us real pizza.
Me too, by the way, are you coming to the library tomorrow?
Yep. I want to borrow a new adventure book.
Same here, I finished the last one last night. I couldn't stop reading.
You read so fast. I'm still halfway through.
That's okay, everyone has their own speed.
True. Oh. Did you hear about the science fair next week?
Yes, I'm making a volcano that actually erupts.
No way. That sounds epic. Can I help you build it?
Of course, come over on Saturday. We can build it together.
Awesome. I'll bring some baking soda and vinegar.
Deal, and after that, we can play video games.
Yes. You still owe me a rematch in racing.
Ha, this time, I'm going to win.
We'll see about that.
Okay, I gotta go now. Mom's calling.
All right, see you tomorrow at the library.
See ya, Max, don't forget the vinegar.
I won't. Bye, Lily.
Hey friends. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.